So hey YouTube, so basically I'm just showing y'all what I got on my iPhone and answering a lot of questions from people saying how do I get the pictures on my apps. So I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. Basically you're just gonna type in my icon and you want to select the photo, anyone you would like. This is a free download, free on Safari, y'all. It's not nothing biggie. And yep, I'm just kind of searching for a photo. Don't mind all the edits. And you can select from large, medium, small. I'm going to flip that. There we go. And then basically when you're done, you can just click on looks good next. Then you're going to find an app that you want to put that on. And you name it. Today I'm going to be doing Pinterest. So yeah. My fault, y'all. So then your phone detects it. Press great. Then here's the directions. They even show you how to put it and save it. So I'm just showing y'all where it's at. It's the arrow at the bottom with the little square attached to it. It kind of looks like this. Showing you guys my suggestions. So you're going to press add to home screen. Then you're going to press add. And there you go. Just like those ones, as you can see at the very bottom, it's right there. And I'm just going to show you guys. You click it and you just press open and it goes right to the app. And you want to not delete the first app because it's going to delete the other app. So yeah, guys, what I mean by that is don't delete the original Pinterest app. Okay? So, yep. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. And if you got any questions, feel free to ask me. Okay, bye guys.